Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. At first find and select settings, then go to General Management and here you will notice reset options. Click to open, go a bit lower and now mark reset all settings. And if you truly want to reset everything on your tablet except security settings, language settings, accounts, some personal data and settings for downloaded apps, just click on Reset Settings. Now you have to provide your current PIN code and tap on Reset. Now just wait a couple of seconds and that's it. So you just reset your device. You will be able to see the differences in a few seconds. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.